Okay, welcome back to the channel. This is just going to be a very quick video to show you a really quick and easy way to keep your grinder clean. One of the pieces of equipment that's often neglected is the cleaning of a coffee grinder, and that's usually because you've got to open up the grinder and brush it all out and reassemble it all, and most people generally don't do it, or you'll run through some grinder cleaner tablets and you'll grind those through. But I'm just going to show you a very quick and simple way to keep your grinder clean that allows you to clean on a daily basis, minimal effort, minimal fuss, and it basically just involves a tool that you buy from pretty much any hardware store. So this is it here. It's a pipe drain cleaner. You can see it's been used a fair bit for cleaning coffee grinds, because you can see coffee grinds all over it. But basically you pump it up with pressure, so we'll build up the pressure on it. You got a trigger to release that pressure, pop it on top, get your grinder running. And you can see it's cleared out some of the coffee grinds that are in there, and then just give it another go a couple more times. Okay, get it running again. Oops. And that's pretty much it. And now we'll just give it a quick open up just to check it and see how much is left behind. So this is the original version of the DF83. That here is the new Australian version of the Australian New Zealand version of DF83. And the next video we'll do a bit of a comparison between the two. But just to give you an idea, running the grinder, like the cleaner through, just pumping it through, it's pretty clean. Look, not much coffee came out of it anyway when we did pump it through, but it's just a nice, easy, quick way to keep your grinder clean. So hopefully this video has helped. Hopefully it's a little tip that you're going to implement within your own coffee routine or your own cafe. So if you like this video, please give us a like. And if you want to keep seeing what other videos we'll be releasing, subscribe and hit that bell notification icon. And yeah, we'll catch you at the next video, where we'll do a comparison between the original version of the DF83 and then the Australian New Zealand version of the DF83. We'll run through that in a bit more detail. So we'll see you at the next video. Take care. Bye.